What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily. And a lot of people ask me, Jullien, why did you get started in real estate? And for me, real estate is less about the money and the wealth. The primary reason is actually for me to be able to step into my purpose and live out my purpose every single day without worrying about money and being able to pass that on to my seeds, to the next generation, because my daughter's going to be able to inherit my entire real estate portfolio, and she'll never ever have to trade time for money in her entire life. And so that's why I teach it to other people, especially trying to help people get to rent and mortgage freedom, because I believe that if you get that 1/3 expense off of your income statement every single month, then that creates so much breathing room for you to start thinking about your purpose and living that out on a more intentional basis. You see, behind me is this boat right here, right? This boat is behind some glass. It's like a museum piece now, or artifact now. And a boat is safe right here in this museum, or a boat is safe at the dock. But the true purpose of a boat is actually to be out here in the ocean, right? And so some of you are playing it safe right now because, yeah, you got some financial obligations that you have to uphold in order to take care of yourself and those that you love. But at the end of the day, playing it safe doesn't allow you to live in your purpose. And so you got to get your financial house in order so that you have the foundation to be able to step out and take that risk, so that you can be out here serving and actually supporting and doing what you were called to do. The boat's purpose is to be out in the water, not to be on the dock or on the shore. All right. So this is why I do real estate. The money part is secondary. The wealth part is secondary. It's really about creating space in my life and the lives of those that I love and those that I teach, so that they can walk in their purpose. My vision is a world where people are free and free to live out their purpose on a daily basis. And I found that real estate is the most effective avenue in order to help people get there. So this is why I invest in multifamily real estate. This is why I teach it and why I believe in it. All right. I just wanted to make that clear. There's a lot of people who will just sell the money part to you, and that's secondary. It's a benefit. I enjoy that benefit, but it's not primary for me. Primary is being able to live in my purpose, the thing that I was created to do, the God-given assignment that I have here on this earth. And my mission is to free 300 people like Harriet Tubman, and real estate is the primary path that I've done that through, as well as subconscious success and entrepreneurship. All right. So if you want to learn how to do this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll show you how to find, finance, and finalize multifamily real estate deals so that you can get in the game. You can get towards rent and mortgage freedom, meaning that you don't have a housing expense for the rest of your life. And I can show you exactly how to do that. All right. So again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll talk to you later. Much love. Peace.